Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and a very happy Diwali to each one of you in advance. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Anashwara, and now that you're here, please stay back, watch the whole video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get started with the video. As you guys can already see from the title, today I'm going to share with you a very affordable Diwali glam look. So these are the affordable products that I own. There are other products as well which are as good as these. So I will try to mention them if I remember the names and prices, or I'll put them on the screen or I'll link them down below. So do check that out. Also, do make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I put up posts almost every day. I put reels of my makeup looks like transition, and also if you're interested in that, please go follow me there. And my handle will be right here somewhere, so do check that out. And now without further ado, let's get started with the makeup. Okay, the first thing I'm going to take the Nykaa Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil. So now I'm going to let it sit for like 5 minutes and then we'll start with our makeup. So for a change, today I'm going to start my makeup with my eye makeup first. So I'm going to do my eyebrows. This is the eyebrow pencil from Hilary Rhoda. Okay, I don't know what happened right there, but some technical glitch happened, and yeah, this is me now. So I don't know how much I recorded, so I use the facial oil, and right after that I use this Hilary Rhoda eyebrow pencil. So yeah, this is my eyebrows, and after that I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer for concealing and priming my eyelids. So to powder my eyelids, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. It has a banana powder and a kind of a bronzer shade here. So I'm going to use this shade as well. So right now I'm going to use this banana shade to powder my eyelids. So the next step is eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is the cheapest palette I own, and oh my god, this is such good quality, such good pigmentation, and it is kind of a neutral smoky palette. I'm going to do a very neutral look so that you can create this look with whatever kind of outfit you have, any color, anything. So I'm going to do a very neutral eye makeup. So at first I'm going to start with this color right here. The secret to a great eye look is just blending. That's the only way you can get a seamless eye makeup, and that's by a lot of blending, a lot of windshield wiper motion. You need to blend to a point that your arms kind of hurt. That's when you know you have blended enough. So now we are going to move on to the next color, and that is going to be a darker color, and that is this one right here. And I'm going to take this shade in the outer corners and in my crease. So I'm going to take this brown, deepen my outer corners, the outer V of my upper eyelids. So yeah, I'm happy with this intensity, and I'm going to take this shade for my lid color because it looks super sparkly. You see. Okay, I'm using my hand at first, but I have to go with the brush because I can't get in my inner corners because of these nails. But yeah, now I'm also going to try and intensify this color by using a setting spray with my brush. So I'm taking this makeup fixer by Blue Heaven. Uh, so I'm going to spray this onto my brush, and I'm going to take this coppery shade that we took. So as you guys can see, the makeup fixer definitely intensified the copper shade, and this is how it looks. So now I'm going to line my eyes, and for that I'm going to use the Lakme Insta Liner. So now I'm going to do my lower lashes, and for that I'm going to use a Blue Heaven Kajal. This is the Soft Kajal Eyeliner by Blue Heaven. Planning on smoking out my lower lashes as well, but before that I think we should do our concealers first. So let's do our base. So the next step is foundation, and for foundation I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and I have the shades 332 and 128 because I don't know my exact shade, so I mix these two to make my shade. I'm going to take a concealer, and I have two concealers. One is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and the other one is, so the Swiss Beauty one is really affordable, and I would have used this one if I had the correct shade, but I do not have the correct shade with me, so that's why I'm going to use these two. But the Swiss Beauty one is really good, so if you want a concealer in your budget, you can definitely go for the Swiss Beauty one. So now for contouring my face, I'm going to use this concealer. I don't know the brand of this one, but it retailed for like 80 rupees and I got it, I think, a while back, and it is a perfect contouring shade for me, and so that's why I kept it. So now that I have placed my contour, I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. So that our contour is done, I'm going to do a little cream blush. So for that I'm going to use a lipstick, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Sensational lipstick in the shade 660 Touch of Spice. So now that we have used a cream contour, a cream blush, I'm going to also use a cream highlighter, and for that I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty stick highlighter. Yeah, Swiss Beauty Insta Glow highlighting stick. I love Swiss Beauty highlighters. Like, I love Swiss Beauty products in general. They are very affordable and really good quality. So yeah, you can really try them. So I'm going to place my highlighter wherever I need, and then I'm going to blend it with. So now that we have streaks of highlighter on our face, I'm going to blend it with my trusty beauty blender. And now that we are done with all our cream products, I'm going to powder my face because it's really starting to crease now. So I'm going to powder the under eyes with this banana powder. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour palette, and I'm going to use this shade. So now to highlight my nose, I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to take the highlighting shade and highlight my nose. I like my nose highlight to be very precise, and that's why I use a teeny tiny brush. Make sure not to forget the inner corner highlight because it makes a lot of difference. So now that our base is pretty much done, I'm going to move on to my lower lashes. So as you guys remember, we have already used a kajal. I'm going to darken it up a little because I really want to smoke it out. Now with the help of a very precise brush, I'm going to smoke out this kohl. You do not have to be super precise with this because we are going to fix it anyways. Now with the help of the same brush, I'm going to take the darkest shade we used, and I'm going to kind of place this just on top of my smoked kajal. And now I'm going to take this kind of a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the lighter two shades we used and kind of blend it all together. So for mascara, I don't own any other mascara other than the Maybelline ones. I have almost all the Maybelline mascaras, so I'm going to use the Total Temptation mascara. But I know that the Blue Heaven mascara, the waterproof one, was good with a green bottle, the green tube. So if you want a more affordable option, you can go for that one. And with that, our eye makeup is complete. So this is how it looks: super sultry, super deep, and very very glam, and very very affordable. So now for lipstick, I have two options. These are the Maybelline Creamy Mattes. I have one in Nude Nuance and the other one in Touch of Spice. The Touch of Spice one I used on my cheeks, and I think I am leaning more towards the nude one because that is my comfort zone. I love nude lipsticks. I have like 100 nude lipsticks. So I'm going to use this. And with that, our makeup look is complete. No, wait. Okay. I completely forgot this. So this is the makeup fixer from Maybelline. No, sorry. This is the makeup fixer from Blue Heaven. And I'm going to use that. So with that, our makeup look is complete. To finish off the whole look, I'll go and put on some jewelry and come back. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. My handle will be right here, so please do check that out. And once again, a very 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 happy Diwali to each one of you, and I hope you have a safe and happy and prosperous Diwali. So I'll see you next week. Till then, be safe, be kind. Bye bye.